Hello, ladies, and welcome to my 7-day free tone up challenge. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Robin Lee, CEO of Freedom Nutrition, and for the next 7 days, I am all yours, running the challenge, giving you information, helping you with any questions that you've got, comments, support, the lot. So, do you believe that it's possible to kickstart the journey to loving your toned up body and having 100% more confidence in just 1 week? I hope the answer is yes. And that is why you've joined my free 7-day tone up challenge. So I'm committing to taking you from a stressed out dieter to an empowered woman over these 7 days. There's going to be small tasks to complete each day, and it's super important to remember that if you don't complete the task each day, you're going to be kicked out of the Facebook group, kicked out of the challenge, and the challenge will end there for you. So stick with me here in this presentation because you'll only be able to complete the challenge if you watch the presentation and can follow what we're going to be doing. So first question, who are you and why are you here? So I'm going to guess that you lead a very busy and often manic lifestyle, and you want that simple and effective plan that fits effortlessly into your life. You're sick of jumping from one diet to the next and never getting any sort of sustainable result. And it probably doesn't even bear thinking about how much time, energy, and money you've put into all those diets in the past. You know that not being able to wear the clothes that you love is just the first step to more serious health concerns, and I know that you want to nip it in the bud now. So this 7-day challenge is going to work for you if you are really ready to do this properly and you're okay with a bit of hard work, perseverance, and consistency. You want to live in a fit, healthy, and toned body that gives you confidence and energy to live life to the fullest. And you really want sustainable results that won't lead you to bouncing back and putting on more weight than you had when you started. And you don't want to be paying for something for the rest of your life to help you get the results that you know that you deserve. However, this will not work for you if you're looking for magazine cover body without any effort, or you're so disorganised that you can't even spare 15 minutes a day, or you think you know better than a professional coach, or maybe you're only here because it's free and you don't really have much of a desire to change anyway. So you can decide if that's you or not. And why are we doing this? So at Freedom Nutrition, we're really sick of the quick fix crash diet culture, and it just promotes costly yet ineffective supplements on consumers who are not really sure of what they should or shouldn't have. And we're really frustrated with the amount of confusing information in there and, quite frankly, false information that's out there circulating the media and the health and fitness industry. And we really want a world where everyone can live a healthy yet flexible lifestyle no matter what life throws at them. So you will have 7 days from now a kickstart to the knowledge and the habits that I put for myself in place to get these results. So this is my journey here from stressed out, unhappy with what I look like, trying everything under the sun for a quick fix, but surprise, surprise, nothing worked. To being much happier and much more confident in my body, understanding the right approach to it all and wanting to really fuel my body to live a healthier lifestyle rather than simply finding the next fad to make me skinny, which I never was. But wait. Don't get me wrong, this is not a 7-day transformation picture. And if anyone shows you photos like this and says they're anything less than 6 months, then they're probably lying. And these pictures for me were taken 14 months apart. However, I'm going to be telling you over these 7 days how I achieved this and what steps I put in place to do so. So I'd be interested to know throughout the day how many pieces of new and conflicting information you get thrown at you at Instagram, Facebook, websites, billboards, the lot, regarding losing weight, toning up, losing the cellulite, improving your skin, nails, hair, and what new quick fixes on the next cover magazine, Instagram post, or whatever's overwhelming your inbox. It's absolutely mental. And for that reason, I really think that the health and fitness industry is broken. Why? Well, no wonder everybody is confused. There's so much social pressure to look a certain way despite it being unsustainable for the majority of us. And you're cutting out entire food groups and restricting calories so drastically that then results in nighttime binges, harsh rebounds, and never getting anything sustainable. And also, you're not educated on the basics of nutrition, calories, and food tracking, so it just all becomes completely confusing. So why should you listen to me? I'm just going to give you a very brief introduction. So firstly, I understand busy. I have come from a corporate background, working up to 100 hours a week on the regular. I know what busy is like. And I understand what it feels like to think you don't even have enough time for your own health, never mind anything else. And you just don't know how it's possible to fit that in to your life in terms of your own fitness and your own nutrition. So my mission is to empower you to take these tools and implement them into your lives. I'm incredibly passionate about helping you, and that's why I'm doing this full week of free challenge where my time is poured into and dedicated into you. And I assure you that I have got your back every step of the way. And finally, I have used this proven formula on myself and many other women and men who have achieved long-lasting results without bouncing back, without binging, and without regaining the weight. So how did I do it? I created the Empowerment Project. And I'm going to walk you through this exact project over the next 7 days, so you've got the information as well. And what is the goal? Like I said at the start, the goal is to transition from a stressed out serial dieter to a confident, empowered woman with a proven and sustainable transformation formula. So here's what I want you to do next. There's just a few things to follow over the next 7 days. So here goes. Step 1 is a cheat sheet. So you will download a cheat sheet and use it throughout the week. And I'll explain fully what we're going to be doing on day 1, and you're going to follow the guide throughout the week. So it's really important to remember there is not only one way to lose weight within my Empowerment Project method, and there are many, many ways that we can discuss that works exactly for you and for your lifestyle. So this week we're going to pull together and follow the same method on the cheat sheet, and we will discuss and support each other along the way in the Facebook group. Step 2 is the welcome post. So look out in the Facebook group from today, your personalised welcome post that's going to appear in that group. Everyone must then introduce themselves with a selfie saying hi to the rest of the ladies in there and explaining a bit about you and what you want to get from this week. So step 3, where are you now? Obviously we need a point A if we're going to get to a point B. So what is your point A? All goals must be measurable. So in order to see where you're at now and how far you're going to come over the week, I'd really like you to take a note of these measurements. So everyone needs to get a pen and paper and make a note of the following measurements. Obviously, don't worry, you don't need to do it right now, or you can pause the video, do your measurements, and then come back, whatever's easiest for you. So firstly, waist, which is the smallest part of your torso, hips, which is the widest part around your bum, stomach, which is just below your belly button, and your weight. So the weight is the least relevant, but I'd still like you to do it so that you can have a bit of a measure and you can see your progress. So step 3, get ready. It's Sunday now, we're getting into Monday, kicking off on Monday morning with a bang. And if you want a little bit of extra help from me, I will give you that opportunity with a cool bonus this week, exclusive to this challenge only. So I will be offering free 1-hour discovery sessions to give you a fully bespoke blueprint to guide you towards your body goals. So that's going to be a 1-to-1 on Skype, me and you getting into the nitty-gritty of your personal goals. So usually I would charge for these for the consultations, but for this week, I will be offering them out for free, just sharing some more love. So when the time comes, I will give you a link and you can apply inside the Facebook group. There's only going to be 10 spaces available. So make sure that you get on them as soon as they arrive in there. And at the end of the week, the most active challenger, the most improved challenger, the most helpful and supportive challenger will win a 50% off a VIP £997 body transformation. So I'll give you more information on that as we go along as well. So next steps, as I've said, number 1, download your cheat sheet and get yourself prepped. Number 2, visit the secret Facebook group that I know you're all in and post your intro. Number 3, get yourself measured. And number 4, get yourself ready for day 1, task 1, that's going to come into your inbox on Monday at 7 a.m. UK time via email. So finally, with that said, I will see you on Monday morning at 7 a.m. Looking forward to it, ladies. Bye.